I attended boot camp for the first time last year as a new person to Renovations, and I sat there absorbed completely with all the information, and I was taking copious notes and just learning the whole time. And when I heard Belinda talk about Renovation Accelerator, I was so excited to hear more about that. So I booked a call and I was in, and I signed up straight away, and it was the best thing that I ever did. I was mentored by Kelly through the Renovation Accelerator program, and she was amazing. She had so much information to share through spreadsheets, feasibility studies, lots of connections and ideas, and she actually helped me to secure my very first flip project in Gympie, helped me to find the property and to go about purchasing it, and helped with all the renovation process, and just basically held my hand the whole way, and it was just awesome. I think what is next for me is hopefully to do another renovation coming up as soon as I can find one. But in addition to that, my colleague and I have started our own home staging business in Gympie, based in Gympie. And so we're really excited about that. We've just booked our first job, and we're really pumped to go and do that installation and hopefully get the business started. I can't recommend Rare Boot Camp enough. If you've never been to one, you've got to come. You've got to do one. You will learn so much, you will get so much information, make so many connections, and the whole community is right there beside you. So do it.